Well, hey everybody. Okay, here is the blue bathroom on the first floor, and as you can see, we got new flooring and a new backdrop, all nice and pretty and clean and vinyl. And the jacuzzi tub works, which is really cool. If you look at, you can see there's the contractor put crown molding there, and he's got to finish painting that, and still working on painting the walls. Gonna get a new shower head. He's got to paint the windows up a little bit. Then I'm gonna put some really cute window curtains. Gonna get a new toilet. And the floor looks amazing. It's, you know, that favorite gray vinyl laminate that I love. And yeah, so it's coming along. Can't wait to show you the finished reveal. It's gonna be party.